Alright guys, so you can tell we have a new setup for this video. We're going to be using a table. You know why? Because we're doing a review for the Balenciaga SSS V2. What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Nico, and today's video, like I promised for my last video, I'm going to be reviewing the Balenciaga SSS V2. So I'm going to give you guys a closer look just because the last video's vlog, I didn't really go too much into the details. I just showed you pretty much just showed you what the sneaker looks like. But for this video, I'm going to get you guys to get a closer look at the shoe, details and everything. And yeah, it's pretty much. And let's open this bad boys up. Alright guys, so talking about the pricing for this SSS V2, it's pretty much the same from the original ones. It is $850 plus tax would come to like around $930. From opening up the box, you get, you know, the instruction right there. You got the dust bag, and you got a couple sheet papers. Here it is. The shoes right there. So you can tell it got a couple difference from the first version, but nothing too crazy of a change. I guess Balenciaga's what they're trying to change from V1s to V2s, just making the V2 a little more simpler and more wearable. Alright guys, so I know a lot of people aren't like used to this version just because it's a bit changed from the V1s, but let's get to the review. So you can tell the upper top of the shoe is pretty much different from the OGs, but the bottom, the SSS, which is the sole, it's pretty much the same. So they were focusing more on the top and making the top a little more simpler. As you can tell, we got some suede going on right here, this part, middle part, and also the front, and then right here it's like nylon, what it feels like, and we got more nylon right here. As you can tell, the Balenciaga's symbol is in this little tag now. It's not like the middle of the shoe. It's gonna be right there now. And also, if you can tell, there's no sizing on the front no more. Sizing is gonna be right here. It looks like it's like a tag type of look, and they just put it right there. So you can tell you see the size for pretty much all the sizing. So Europe, US, and I don't know what that next one is, but there it is right there. It's just SSS right there, and the sizing. And also in the back right here, which is this leather part, as you can see the Balenciaga logo right there. I think it's pretty neat how it's back there. I like that. That's back there. But that's pretty much the shoe. Actually, one more thing, the laces also different now. They're more flat laces. They're like Vans type of lace. From the original, as you can tell, it was actually like a roundish look, and it has some, you know, stripes into it. This one is just more simple, and it doesn't come with another lace, because usually the OGs they came with like another lace for like a different look. But this is the only one that it came with, and just a white simple lace for it. That's pretty much it for the upper part of the shoe. Also, one more thing that I do want to talk about, the manufacturer. I guess it's in China now, and a lot of people dislike that, how it's not in Italy no more, it's in China. For me, as long as it's the same material, it feels like a great shoe, great sneaker. It wouldn't really matter. They're probably using the same thing, how they were using everything in Italy, but that doesn't really bother me. I know a lot of people are bothered by that, but I kind of just want to ignore that. Yeah, talking about the bottom of the shoe, so you can tell it's the same thing, nothing too different, just a different color. I know this shoe, this V2 came with a couple colorways, so all white one, also the all blue one, and also the all white one with like the blue bottom, like the cream blue bottom, something like that. I'll post a picture right there so you guys can see the colorways. But yeah, nothing to really talk about from the bottom. Bottom is the same thing, as you can tell. We still got the Balenciaga symbol right there, and also the finishing touches with the rubber right here. But yeah, pretty much nothing else to talk about the bottom. It's pretty much the same thing. All the difference from the shoe is pretty much from the upper part of the shoe. I honestly like this pair. It's really growing on me pretty quick. I just bought it like 2 days ago and I'm loving it already. But yeah, here's pretty much it. Now that I talk about pretty much everything, I'm gonna show you guys an on-feet look of the shoe, so just get an idea how they fit or how they look on feet. And sizing as well. Sizing is pretty much the same thing. I'm a size 10 for the original one. I'm sizing on this one as well. But this doesn't fit more snug. I feel like the V ones are more snug just because the material that was built. This one is a little more. You have a little more room. You have a little more room for this one, but fits pretty much the same. This one you just got a little more room inside. The other one you're a little more snug, more comfy. But yeah, this is pretty much the same as the other one. So yeah, let me show you guys the on feet look of these shoes so you guys can get a better idea how they fit, how they look. So let's go. Alright guys, hope you guys do enjoy that video. If you guys do enjoy, hit the like, comment, and subscribe down below. But with that being said, I hope you guys are having a great day and I will see you guys later.